Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get this Galaxy Hair UGC in Roblox. So basically you're just going to have to kind of jump here and see that there's this hair. Oh, am I supposed to check the shop? Okay, I don't think the hair UGC is available anymore, but it used to be available here, and then you can just press it and basically get the UGC hair for free. But I think it is not, maybe like the stock is not available anymore, so you cannot get it anymore, as you can see. But yeah, it used to be available. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.